Okay, so we've been talking about exponential functions. They are very closely related to something called logarithmic functions. Okay, a logarithm is based off of exponential form. So it's another way of writing it. So you'll see, here's logarithmic form, log. It shows you right here how it's supposed to be read. Log base b. This b is like a subscript, so that's the base of a equals x. Now in exponential form, that is b to the x is equal to a. I call it the swoop. You start with the base, you go around your equal sign, and you end up back in the logarithm. B to the x equals a. And that's how you go from logarithmic form to exponential form. Okay? The base is always the same. The base of the logarithm is always the same as the base of the exponential. Okay? So we're going to write these equations here in exponential form. They're in logarithmic form. We're going to write them in exponential form. So we start with the base. We swoop around, we end up back in the logarithm. So that's 3 squared is equal to 9. We know that's true, right? 3 squared is equal to 9. But in logarithmic form, that's log base 3 of 9 is equal to 2. Okay, number 2, 6 to the third, swoop around, is equal to 216. We know that's true. 6 cubed is equal to 216. Log base 7 of 0 is equal to 1. In exponential form, that is 7 to the 0 is equal to 1. Anything raised to the 0 power is equal to 1. Okay, number 4, 2 to the 4th is equal to 16. Again, we know all of these are true. We're just looking at how they are also written in logarithmic form. Okay, we're going between the two forms. We're going to need this in a little while when we get to some equations. Okay, let's look at, the last two here going from log form to exponential form. Log base 4 of 1 over 16 is equal to negative 2. So that is in exponential form. 4 to the negative 2 is equal to 1 over 16. And last one, 9 to the 3 over 2 is equal to 27. Now, you may not know that one. You probably don't know that one without using your calculator, but if you type 9 to the 3 halves in your calculator, you should get 27. Now, it's a little bit, it's not quite as quick and easy to go from exponential form to log form, okay? But it's still not hard, okay? So if we've got 4 squared is equal to 196, that is log base, did I say 4 squared? I meant 14 squared. Log base 14, the base of the exponential and the base of the logarithm are always the same, and then it's kind of like those other two numbers, just switch places. Bless you. So log base 14 of 196 is equal to 2 is that exponential expression in log form. Okay, you can check it really easy by just doing your swoop and making sure that you got the original exponential. Okay, so 3 to the 4th is equal to 81. In log form, that's log base 3 of 81 is equal to 4. Again, you can check it, swoop it around. 3 to the 4th equals 81. So it's not hard, it's just different. Number 9, log base 12, the base is always the same. The other two numbers switch places. So log base 12 of 12 is equal to 1. Swoop it around, 12 to the 1st equals 12. Okay, number 10, log base 36 of 6 is equal to 1/2. 36 to the 1/2 is equal to 6. It's as simple as that. Number 11, log base 2 of 1 over 8 is equal to negative 3. Swoop it around. 2 to the negative 3rd is equal to 1/8. Number 12, log base 8 of 16 is equal to 4 over 3. 8 to the 4/3 equals 16. That's all there is to it, to go from log form to exponential form and vice versa. Pretty easy, right?